YouTube. So yeah, I just got the shower. But this is gonna be how I take care of my damaged hair, because you know it's bleached, it's colored, all that. So it's quote unquote damaged. So yeah, this is how I take care of it, make sure that, you know, it doesn't fall out and I don't become bald. So let's get right into it. So basically what we're gonna start with is protein treatments are your best friend. If you have curly hair, protein treatments will make sure that your hair stays curly. And because you know, like whenever you bleach it, the curls start to fall and they get looser and things like that. And then if you go ahead and straighten it a few times, and they fall a little bit more, get a little bit looser. So this makes sure that your curls bounce right back. So this is the protein treatment that I use. It's by aphogee, aphogee, I don't know, something like that. Yeah. There's really not much in it, so I'm gonna do what I can. But I'll just explain basically how you use it. So see, there's just not anything in there. Okay, cool. So put some in your hands, rub it together. And you should do this on freshly washed hair. You're not really supposed to condition it. I conditioned it because I forgot I was doing this. But yeah, you do this on freshly washed hair. And you just put it in your hands. And oh, was that it? Was that all we had? Obviously, I should have washed the beauty supply before I did this. Okay, so yeah, you put on freshly washed hair, put it through your hair, put it all around your hair, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna try to get some more out of this, but oh, that's empty. Okay, all right. Well, let's just act like that, you know, I put it all around my hair. And then you would take your trusty blow dryer, put it on. Oh, it's not plugged in. This is hard now, like, well, it's not that hard, but like, it's as hard as it can probably get, considering the amount that I put in. That's tragic. Oh wait, I see a little bit. I see a little bit. All right. Well, honestly, the only part of my hair that really needs the protein treatment is the front part. So we're gonna make some shade. I just need it in this front part right here, because that's the only part that really like loosens up. Concerningly loosens up, at least. Maybe we can get some out this cap. Nope. All right, maybe we can. Maybe there's a little bit more. Maybe. Yeah, so like once it's like crunchy and like hard and like sticky and stuff, then you go ahead and you rinse it out. And yeah, so that's why I like didn't bother getting dressed, because they're just gonna catch you. All right, so whenever you get out the shower or whatever, stop rinsing and stuff, it's gonna feel like squeaky. Is that a feeling? Like, but like it's squeaky basically. Like it's like it's weird feeling. So we gonna go in with our balancing there we go. Our balancing moisturizer, also by aphogee. And there we go. And put that all in our hair. Don't put that everywhere because I like the moisture. I like the moisture a lot. So I don't only put this in the front part, I'm gonna put it all over. And of course, usually like, you know, you would put the protein treatment all over, but you know, we ran out of that, so that's fine. This one you definitely should rinse on cold water. Like the same way you should, when you condition your hair, you should rinse it out on cold water so that it seals in all that moisture that you just put into it. Otherwise, you'll just like release it back out or whatever, and that's not what you want, you know? It's not what you want. And I put like a lot, so that's why I'm not showing you how much I'm putting, because like I just keep going until my heart's desire. But like I'll show you, like I do this. You know, there we go, I do that. And then I just keep going, just keep doing it. Keep going through my hair and stuff. And I make sure to get underneath though. Finger detangle, all that. And then you leave this in. It says for 2 minutes, but guess who's not gonna do that? Guess who's gonna leave it there for more? Me. Like my hair is shedding, but like my hair always sheds. It's not like anything major either. Cause I am literally like breaking through my hair. But that's it. It's just. But I will comb through it and let y'all see. All right, so clean. And you know, you always go from tip to root, so you don't just like rake through your hair and just like pull out strands, you know. Cause it's very easy to rip out your hair, especially whenever it's wet. Oh honey, you just snatch some little things right on out. And that is my shedding. Let's just take it off because you can't see that. Ain't no way. So after detangling my entire head, this is the amount of shedding that I got from my whole head. We have to do it this way. Yeah. That's all for my entire head. I think that's pretty good. Shedding is a given, that's gonna happen. There's nothing you can really do about that because like your hair sheds, period. But I mean, what you can do is control the amount of shedding. I look like a wet poodle. Dang. My hair, like my curls, I've never had like coily curls. Like I've always had like waves, so they've always looked like mommy noodles or like a Jerry curl, and it's sad. I just want coils, but it's always been like this. The back is more coily, like towards the ends, I think, but for the most part, like I think my hair like coils a little bit towards the ends. I don't know, but life is hard. I'm gonna rinse it out now with cold water, so I'll be back. So, sorry, my camera stopped recording, so that's resolved now, it's fine. But I rinsed my hair out. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. Nope, still not. What's going on here? Okay, yeah. So, rinse my hair out. This is how it's looking. What color even is that? No. Yeah, my little ramen noodles. And it's very soft. So this is how it's looking right now. After the balancing moisturizer. Whew. Wow, I'm cold actually, I'm freezing. But next, where is it? Next, and this is the last step. What? Oh! So this is the last step. I use the products that I make actually, called Rissa. Yeah. And I'm gonna use the hydrating leave-in conditioner. I like the smell of lemons, so that's the smell that I'm using. And maybe I'll do a video on how I like properly moisturize my hair with this stuff, but after doing all this moisture, I don't really need to do a whole lot. But it works best on damp or wet hair. Yeah. So I kind of just put like, oh man, I should have showed you how much I put. But it's like a quarter sized amount in my hands, and then I run it through my hair. And I don't really want to disturb the curls too much, so I don't do a whole lot of extraness. I kind of just flatten my hand out. That's how much I usually put. There we go. That's it. And yeah, that's that. And that's how I restore my damaged hair, because it was dry. It was feeling real bad, and because I wasn't taking care of it for a little bit, but it's better now. It's good now, and I just let it air dry, honestly. Should I do that considering it's winter? No, but I do. Whatever. If worse comes to worse, if I need to, like if it's like a school day or something, and I did this in the morning, or like I wet my hair in the morning, I use my microfiber towel. I just put that on my head and keep pushing. I might end up doing that, I don't know. But as of right now, I just don't feel like it. So yeah. And I got my microfiber towel from Walmart for like $4, I think. And yeah, it's like a turban. So that's fun. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below what other videos you want me to do. And yeah.